Hello and welcome to the second UK Card Club card review video. So this time we are looking at the Karnival Fatal deck. It's a bicycle branded deck. It is produced by the United States Playing Card Company for Big Blind Media. Now if the Karnival range, if you like, or anything to go by, then this has also been designed by Sam Hales, aka Dose Prod. If you haven't heard of him, check him out. Incredible graphic designer, designed some incredible album artwork. He's done some really remarkable artwork for bands like Skin Dread, but he also has designed some of the best playing cards I've seen. So yeah, let's have a quick look. So it says here, air cushion finished, Big Blind Media, United States Playing Card Company. The back designs are just incredible. Look at that. Manufactured United States Playing Card Company, made in the USA. So, without further ado, let's take a look inside. So we crack the seal, normal bicycle trademark association information. I actually noticed here as well, there's two little tiny birds, which is pretty cool. So inside we have the Karnival Fatal deck. So the backs, as you can see, beautifully symmetrical. Same both ways, both sides up. Got two jokers. They're very sort of, I don't know what the word is, but you think of I think of like Audrey Hepburn when I look at them. So I don't know, I just really like it. I like the fact that it's black writing on white and then white writing on black. The Ace of Spades is incredible, which is actually featured on the front of the box. But yeah, it's just so nice. Look at that. It's a beautiful, beautiful card. So these are standard faces all the way through, even the court cards. But it doesn't take away from the beauty of the deck. It's just absolutely incredible. You get included a double backer for those Magic fans out there. You also get a blank facer, which is also good for Magic. And then you just get this incredible deck. It's just so nice. Oh. And again, look at that. Just a beautiful, beautiful deck. Let's get these out of the way. Yeah, I've always been a big fan of Dose Prod decks. I think Sam Hales is just an absolutely incredible artist. And just the things he does. Spectacular. Yeah, I bought this. It was in a bargain. It was an absolute steal from Big Blind Media. They had a triple pack, so you could buy all three. I'm not quite certain of what the price was, but I don't think it matters at this stage. Such an absolute stunner of a deck. It could cost a fortune. I'd still buy it. I'm really a real big fan of the whole black and white. I love it. I think it's really, really, really nice deck. So my hat comes off to Big Blind Media for producing this bad boy. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video, where we'll be reviewing something else. Take care, guys.